Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Desi Tinda using an easy method. First, wash and peel about 500 grams of fresh tinda. Then, cut each tinda into 4 equal pieces. Next, finely chop 1 medium onion, 2 ripe tomatoes, and 2 green chilies. This preparation ensures your tinda cooks evenly and absorbs all the delicious flavors. Now, let's build our flavor base. Heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a pan over medium heat. Once hot, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and let them splutter for a few seconds until fragrant. Then, add your finely chopped onions. Sauté these onions, stirring occasionally, until they become translucent and turn a beautiful light golden brown. Next, add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste to the pan and cook for about 1 minute until its raw aroma disappears. Then, stir in 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and salt to taste. Add the chopped tinda pieces and mix everything thoroughly, ensuring each piece is well coated with the spices. This step is crucial for flavor. Finally, cover the pan and let the tinda simmer on low heat for 15 to 20 minutes, or until it becomes tender and cooked through. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking. Once done, garnish your delicious Desi Tinda with fresh, chopped coriander leaves. Serve hot with roti or rice. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.